Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech, and today finally we have here the new Honor Band 5. The Honor Band 5 comes with Amoled full color display, different styles of interfaces. We have intelligent sleep data, real-time heart rate monitor, water resistant up to 50 meters. We have swim stroke recognition. We have a 0.95 inch screen, as I said, AMOLED. It has a touch screen, so you can control it by touching it or by the button that it has in the end. As we can see, the Honor 5 comes in really good shape and with good qualities, as well as the good options that it gives us inside of this smartwatch. So we have different sport activities, starting with outdoor running, indoor running, outdoor walk, outdoor cycling, and we have other sports included as well. Also we have messages reminder, find phone, remote picture, and we have quite a few different options. So let's go ahead and start with unboxing. So let's begin with unboxing. As we see here, we have the package of Honor 5. In the package we can clearly see more colorful theme on the Honor 5 than the Honor 4. So in the back we have all in Chinese, and let's go unbox it. Here we have the watch itself, the charger, and we have separate place for the paper. We have here the I think it's the user in the Chinese. We have the user manual in English. And we have included in the package the screen protector for Honor 4 and the Honor 5. I haven't seen screen protection in the package in any smartwatch. I think it's very good to put a screen protector in package for your smartwatch. Let's close this box. We don't have anything else. So let's begin with this charger. We have the typical charger for the Honor, same as the Honor 4. And now finally we have here the watch. As you can see, it doesn't have too much difference from the 4, but I really like the Honor 5. It's very good material. We have here the same sensors and charging point. So let's go straight to the first page. We have the weather, time, and steps. Next we have steps or the percentage, heart rate, sleep, workout, Alipay, more, and message. We don't have too many options in the Honor 5, but honestly the color and the display are incredible. I don't know if you can see this quality of the display, all the colors and the clearness in this watch, but honestly is really good. So here in the settings we have timer, stopwatch, phases, find phone, brightness, screen on, battery, and system. If we go to the faces, we have this one that we saw before. We have the second one. Let's go again to the faces. The second one, we have the timer, we have the data, steps, burn calories, and kilometers. Let's go again to the faces. The third one is this one. This is more colorful and more childish, I think. And this was all the faces, but honestly this one is the best that you can see right now. So again, we have not too many options. In the workout we have outdoor run, outdoor walk, indoor cycle, pool swim, and free training. Alipay is used only in China. Here in Europe we don't use this. And we have messages for notification. If you swipe left, you go back, as you saw, for example here, swipe left, you go back. And this was all of the options that we can use in the Honor 5. Let's go and put this on and test the heart rate. Let's see what we got from the Honor 5. Let's do a quick test. As you can see, it's still measuring, and I really like this display from the Huawei Honor 5. And now we have the little vibration, as I always say, and the final result. And this is how it looks in my hand. I really like it, it's very comfortable. So guys, this is all that we got from the Honor 5. If you have any question or suggestion, feel free to comment down below. We'll try to read all the comments and reply to you all. Thank you for your time and attention. Hit the like button, subscribe our channel. Thank you for your support, and we will see you in the next video.